My name's Dr. Mark Gasson from the University of Reading, and I'm a lead researcher on a European-funded project called FIDIS, which is the Future of Identity in the Information Society. For 5 years, FIDIS has been researching the ways in which identity-related information about us is used. In this present study, we're interested in the privacy implications of using GPS-enabled mobile phones. Since March, researchers from FIDIS from the UK, Germany and Belgium have been carrying around GPS-enabled devices that have been recording their location and storing it in a database here in Reading. What concerns us, having looked at this data, is that it actually discloses a lot more personal information about the person than they may actually realise. Over time, it's possible to build up a behavioural profile of the person just by looking at where they've been. We can tell things like where they work, where they live, when and where they socialise, and this helps to build up a bigger picture of the person. The problems may come where this extra information is used by third parties. A growing number of mobile phones are coming with GPS and location-based services which can, for example, offer a list of restaurants or clubs tailored to the individual based on their behavioural profiling are coming. But users need to be aware of the potential wealth of information that they're giving away just by disclosing their location data when using these new services. When consumers are using new services on their phone, they may not necessarily read the terms and conditions and just tick the OK box. The problem with this is it potentially puts the user at risk because it may allow their personal data to be used by third parties. In the future, we envisage third parties such as marketing agencies or car or health insurance companies using this to tailor their services, not necessarily in a good way, for the consumer. People need to be aware about the amount of information that they're potentially disclosing just by revealing their location data. We're not saying that people shouldn't use these services, but they need to be aware that they're potentially putting their privacy at serious risk.